How was the exam? Good? Nice to hear. Very good. Hello everyone. Today's lesson. Look at this. Have a look. Okay? Right. Think. What? Got it? No idea? Okay, clue. Rat. Imli. Think. Think. What? No? Okay. I. Gauri. Yes. Gauri. This box. Gauri. Gauri. Now think. What? What? Think. Did you find? Did you find? No? Okay. I give you some cards. I give you some cards. Okay? I paste here. Yeah, I paste here. You watch. Okay? I give you some cards. Okay? Help me. You help me to match. Match. Okay? Right. Good. You help me. You help me. Match. Okay? Match. He. Good. Raj. He is Raj. You remember? Raj. Okay. He. She. Good. She's Imli. Very good. Okay. It. It's a chair. It's a chair. Okay. You. Good. You're my YouTube viewer. You're my YouTube viewer. Okay, very good. I. Next. You. You. Think about one person. Okay, one person. One chair. One. You. One. Good. One plus some others. I have some Facebook viewers too. Okay? Right. You. Right. Now, you and I. You and I are friends. You and I are friends. Okay. You and I. You and I. One word. Good. We. We. Okay. Good. They. They. Good. Raj and Imli. Raj and Imli. They. They. Okay. They. Which one? Okay. Okay. Correct. 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 Good. They. One. It. Chair. It. They. 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 Okay. They are in the kitchen. They are in the kitchen. Okay. Okay. Right. We did it. We did it. Thank you. You help me. Help. Help. You help me. Help. Okay. You. You. You help. No, no. Me. You help me. Help. Good. Verb. YouTube viewer. YouTube viewer. Subject. Okay. You. YouTube viewer. Subject. Pronoun. Subjective pronoun. Okay. Me. Gauri. Okay. You help me. Object. Pronoun. Objective pronoun. Good. Note down. Okay, in your notebook. Copy it. Copy it. Now. Now. No Gauri. Okay. Think. Think. You help Raj. He. Raj. You help he. Good. You help him. You help him. 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 Raj. Okay. Copy down. You help him. Raj. Now, exercise. Small exercise, okay? I give you some cards. Help the cards, okay? I give you some cards. You help what? Raj, what? You help Emily. What? Okay. I paste it here. Match it. Match it. Okay. Right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sentences. How many sentences? 5. Example. You help Raj. You help him. You help him. Okay. Okay. Here. Cards. Okay. Copy down. Copy down in your notebook. Okay, you have to write, you help him, you help her. Okay, 5 sentences. Now, blank, blank, okay? Help. You help me. You help me. Okay? Right. Now, answer me. Answer me. Good. I help you. I help you. I help you. Good. Okay. Now, Raj. Raj. Subject. Raj. He is a teacher. Good. He helps. Good. Simple present tense. Help, verb, helps. He helps you. He helps you. He helps you. Helps. He helps you. Now, tell me, Emily, simple present, verb, good, helps. Emily helps Raj. Emily helps Raj. Choose. Good. She helps Raj. She helps. Good. Him. She helps him. She helps him. Subject, pronoun, Raj, object, pronoun. Okay? Pronouns. Copy down. Copy down. Raj helps you. Raj helps you. Raj, singular. Raj. Okay? Remember? Simple present tense. Raj helps. Okay. Object, pronoun. Object, pronoun. Subject, subjective pronoun. Okay? Let's paste. Let's paste it. sheep. Now, exercise, okay? Fill the blanks, fill it. Example, I help Emily her. Good. I help her. Do it now. Check it. Correct it. Okay. He drives a car. It. You play games. It. Okay. Correct it. Your homework. Okay. Fill the table. Okay. How many? How many boxes? 9. Good. 9. Fill it. And I give you 3 verbs. Okay. 3. How many verbs? 3. Make some sentences. Using these verbs, these pronouns, make some sentences. Okay? Practice it. Practice. Okay? That's it. See you tomorrow. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and share it with your friends. Be an example.